Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Figma design. Let's create branding design in Figma using Shape Builder, online vector graphic editor and prototyping tool. Draw rectangle 400 by 1000 and inside 300 by 900 dimensions using rectangle. Remove fill and use stroke. Use full corner radius by pulling corner radius points. Right-click, group them. Select object, click on radial, repeat. Change properties, count equals 8 and gap equals 0. Select object, right-click, flatten them. Select all and go to Shape Builder, press shortcut key equals M. Click on Object, create shapes. To deselect, press Alt plus click. Select object, right-click, split vector. Now, select object, go to fill, remove strokes. Select each object. Apply color from the swatches. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.